Hey everyone, welcome back to the Logical Coders and a new series of React.js for beginners. React.js is an open source and one of the most popular JavaScript front-end library for building user interface. React is efficient, so if you are stuck with a specific error, don't worry, React.js has a huge community support to help you out. There are many online forums which are a great place for discussion, and one of the most popular is Stack Overflow. So you will get your answer very easily. React.js is developed and maintained by Facebook. As you can see this clearly shows a huge community support for React. Let's talk about its features. The number one is declarative. React is declarative, which means we tell JavaScript what we want to be done and let JS take care of performing the steps. Let me take a real-life example of declarative approach to make things more clear. Declarative approach is all about what. So let's assume you are at a restaurant. As you know, now declarative approach is more concerned with what you want. So you can simply ask for table for two. But if this is the same scenario for an imperative approach, which is concerned with how you are actually going to get a seat, then you'll need to list out the steps to be able to show how you are going to get the table. But in declarative approach, it's quite simple. All you need to tell JavaScript is what we want to be done, and JavaScript will do for you. The second one is JSX, which is the super cool feature available in React.js. JSX is a JavaScript syntax extension. It is recommended to use JSX in React because it simply increases the readability, and it also allows to show more useful error and warning message. The third one is backward compatibility. It is always great for the software to be able to work with older versions of library it uses. Fortunately, Facebook had invested in maintaining backward compatibility. So you don't need to worry about the older version, but it is a good practice to update version of your software or application. The fourth one is components, which is one of the most important features available in React.js. React is all about components, so you can think of everything as a component in React.js. Component is nothing but it is a piece of user interface. So you can see a user interface broken down into a multiple individual pieces, but if we merge them all in a parent component or a root component, it will become your final UI. As you can see here, header is a separate component here, and side nav is a separate component here. So is your main and footer. But if we put all of these individual components inside your root component, it will become your final user interface for your homepage. We can also reuse these components. Let's talk about its advantages. React uses Virtual DOM, which improves apps performance, and Virtual DOM is the reason behind its faster performance. Since JavaScript Virtual DOM is faster than the regular DOM, it can be used on client and server side as well as with other framework. If you want to expand your opportunity as a front-end developer, then you should learn React.js. And once you have a good grasp on React, you can also learn React Native for mobile applications. Here are few apps which built using React.js: Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, Uber, Yahoo, and one of the most popular video platforms, Netflix. So this is it for this introductory part. I hope you will enjoy this of React.js. Thank you.